Welcome to the episode Valmiki Ramayanam number 29. We, our Sriranga Chanam Gopikas of the Ramar Parayanam, Rama Prayanam, we are at what we call Pokhara. This is called Sri Lakshmi Narayanan Mandir. See, please remember, people सब लोग नाम लगाते only Lakshmi Narayan. No, we should add. अपना add करना पड़ेगा. Sri means what? Lakshmi. This is what? Very Sri Lakshmi Narayanan. Coming to our Ramayana and everything, Dasharatha, after keeping the name of the children and of the four sons, this is what Radha Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Radha Krishna. After naming the four sons and all, Dasharatha was very, very happy of the sons growing. They started learning the Vedas. They started learning this is what you call, it is a Sita Ram. Sita Ram. We are at the Pokhara temple, please. Please remember, upon Sab, Valmiki Ramayanam, Parayanam, Prayanam. So we all have come from what we call Muktinath se. They come down to Sita Rama, of the things and all. Dekhiye, Bhagwan ka charan and all everything. And this is a view of the temples and all. You can see all these things and all. And all the Dasharatha was very happy by seeing that their sons growing with a lot of what you call knowledge, with a lot of good Vedas, with the archeries, with the science of what you call, they learned all the war illusory, सब सीखे हम लोग war के बारे में कैसा करना, सब everyone liked about the Rama, because Rama जी ने सब जने से मिल रहे थे, either गरीब रहने दो, लेकिन से अमीर रहने दो, he was moving, he was mingling with the what you call poor and rich people. The beauty of the point is Rama and Lakshmana were two different souls, but only one body. Lakshmana was always what you call attached to the Rama, and similarly Bharatan and Shatrughna. And King Dasharatha was very, very happy. Madam cameraman, just badal guzare. These are all what you call of the hill ranges of the Pokhara mountains and all everything. So by this Dasharatha was very happy of the four sons learning all the Vedas, science of archery, science of what you call illusory warfare, and Rama learnt all the what you call charioteer. Rama learnt all. Rama means what, including Lakshmana, Bharata and all. They all learnt about the horse riding and all. They were what you call, they were riding even the elephants also. Dasharatha was बहुत खुश है. खुशी में दशरथ जी ने सोचने लगे कि अभी वक्त आ गया कि शादी करने का समय. Krishna Dasharatha was thinking about now the stage has come, the time has come to marry the what you call his four sons and all. At this time, इसी समय में, इसी वक्त के समय में what you call विश्वामित्र आए थे, विश्वामित्र पधारिए थे to Ayodhya. This is the turning point of the Ramayana, please. This is the first phase of the turning point of that Valmiki Ramayana, where what he called Vishwamitra came down to meet the Dasharatha. And when he came to know that Vishwamitra has come down to the city of his Ayodhya, he came running from his palace of the king to rush and to welcome him. Very important point. ఒకసారి చెప్పాలండి, दशरथ का मंची गुणम ఏమంటే ఎదుటివాడు అడక్క ముందే सामने वाले पूछने के पहले ही, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट सर, पूछने के पहले ही दशरथ जी ने पूछते कि विश्वामित्र को आपको क्या होना, మీకు ఏం కావాలి, నేను ఏం మీకు బహుమానం ఇవ్వగలుగుతాం बोल के दशरथ will ask about the Vishwamitra. This is the way the first mistake has been done by King Dasharatha, because he did not know that for what purpose the Vishwamitra has come down. So before he himself asking him, Dasharatha laid all the points and all that I am ready to offer you as a pleasantry gift from the city of Ayodhya to Vishwamitra. This is a point to note down, please. अपन जिंदगी में भी, कलयुग में भी మనం అడక్క ముందే ఎవరికి మనం బహుమానం ఇవ్వకూడదండి. This is what the Dasharatha did. Similarly, Dasharatha did in due course of time. We come to know he given a voluntary gift even to Kaikeyi also. ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే అడక్క ముందే మనం ఏమి ఇవ్వకూడదండి. ప్లీజ్ రిమెంబర్, దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద క్రక్స్ ఆఫ్ ద వాల్మీకి రామాయణం. వీఆర్ ఎండింగ్ హియర్ దట్ ఎపిసోడ్ ఆఫ్ ద వాల్మీకి రామాయణం number 29, where Dasharatha, in the kingdom of the place of Dasharatha, Vishwamitra has entered. Let us see in our next episode what the Vishwamitra is going to ask. Once again, I am just summing up the word. After the naming the children's name of the Kausalya, Kaikeyi and Sumitra, and they grow up badhiya. So Ganti bhi baj raha hai. You can see that the temple and all. Very place of the, we are all at the place what he call is Pokhara. So बड़े होने के बाद सब जो सब वेदा सीखने के बाद मास्टरी ऑफ द रिपीटिंग ऑन अगेन मास्टरी ऑफ द आर्चरी सब सीखने के बाद दशरथ जी ने मन में सोचने लगे कि वक्त आ गया, अभी अपन चारों को शादी करने का समय आ गया बोल के. बाय दिस वी आर एंटरिंग entered into the Valmiki Ramayanam episode number 29. We, our Sri Rangachanam Gopikas, are all very fortunate to have the Rama Parayanam and Rama Prayanam. You can see there what you call, this is the place of what you call Radha Krishna and Sita Rama of the Manting and all and this thing. By this I want to end the episode of Valmiki Ramayana number 29 with the slokam of once again what you call Rama or the thing and all. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasra Rama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasra Rama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Sri Rama Nama Varanane Om Namo Iti. I want to end once again with the chanting of the Kuladevam Vadu Rama. Vadu Ramaya, Vadu Ramabhadraya, Vadu Ramachandraya, Vadu Vedase, Vadu Raghunataya, Vadu Nataya, Vadu Sitaya Pade Namah, Vadu Ramaya, Vadu Ramabhadraya, Vadu Ramachandraya, Vadu Vedase, Vadu Raghunataya, Vadu Nataya, Vadu Sitaya Pade Namah. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Narayana, Jai Vadu Rama, Jai 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 Vadu Rama. Once again, we our Sri Rangachanam Gopikas of the Sri Rangachanam, we are doing what we call Valmiki Ramayanam Parayanam, Rama Prayanam and all, everything. We are doing it with a very beautifully of the things and all. Once again, at the episode number 29, King Dasaratha has been pleasurely, mentally prepared and started thinking about the four sons of the marriage. So Vishwamitra also has entered into the city of Ayodhya to meet the King Dasaratha, and in turn King Dasaratha also has given him a rousing reception, rousing welcome to the Vishwamitra. We, the Rama Valmiki Ramayanam of the Sri Rangacharanam Gopikas, we are doing Rama Prayanam, Rama Parayanam for our next generation, for their longevity in the life. వాళ్ళందరూ ఆరోగ్యం బాగుండాలని सब लोगों का क्या बोले तो हेल्थ अच्छा रहने होगा. They should all be very happy, be healthy, and this is what's primarily focusing. మనం సంకల్పం చేస్తున్నామండి సీతారామ మందిర్ దగ్గర. We are all doing it. Valmiki Rama Parayanam, Rama Prayanam for our next generation, for their hale and healthy and longevity of the life. Family, Vamsham బాగుండాలండి. Everyone should be happy. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu, Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shriman Narayana, Jai Vadu Rama, Jai 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 Vadu Rama. एक बार दोबारा देखिए. This is what we are in the Pokhara of that what we call near that Nepal place. Pokhara, very beautiful. Temples are all very neat and clean and all everything. In fact, हम एक बात कहना चाहते हैं कि यहाँ का कोकोनट का जो तोड़ने का तरीका भी बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया ढंग से तो कोकोनट भी जोड़ रहे. लास्ट पॉइंट बिफोर एंडिंग इट, यहाँ का नेपाल में हमें खुद देखे थे कि दे आर नेमिंग द कॉलोनी नेम विद द पुष्पम नेम लाइक पारिजात नगर. అంటే మనం మెన్షన్ చేస్తాం కదా లలితా నగర్ కాలనీ బోల్కర్ మనం ఇండియాలో హైదరాబాద్లో like this the naming of the flowers. This is called as what we call Parijata Nagar, this is called as Kamala Nagar, this is called as what we call Chamanti Nagar. So that means what they are all giving very importance to the Pushpam. और एक बढ़िया बात है, हर एक बात for everything they talk about the ending with Ram 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 Ram. नमक होना क्या, राम राम बोलते, राम नमक. दैट मीन्स व्हाट राम के बारे में ही दे स्मरण करते हैं. कैसा हनुमान जी राम के बारे में स्मरण करते हैं, यहाँ साक्षात सब लोग राम का ही स्मरण करते हैं. वी आर ऑल वेरी हैप्पी. राम का जन्म हुआ, भरतन का जन्म हुआ, लक्ष्मण का भरत जन्म हुआ, शत्रुघ्न का जन्म हुआ, एंड सब लोग बढ़िया ग्रो हुए. दे स्टार्टेड लर्निंग एवरीथिंग. दे लर्नड ऑल द वेदास, दे लर्नड ऑल. आई एम वेरी रिपीटिंग बिकॉज सी सब मानव जन्म लिए विष्णु भगवान ने. ही हैज टेकन द ह्यूमन बर्थ. दैट मीन्स ही इज लर्निंग एवरीथिंग एंड शोइंग इट टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड दैट हाउ टू लिव. दिस इज व्हाट वेरी important of the things and all. Let us see in our next 30th episode what the Vishwamitra is going to ask with the king, great king of Dasaratha. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shriman Narayana, Jai Vadu Rama, Jai 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 Vadu Rama.